Hi guys, welcome to my channel that is Grow Humanity. So today our topic for discussion will be gratitude. So what do you mean by gratitude? The feeling of thankfulness. Thankful for whom? God, people around you, family, friends, goods and services which you avail. You should be thankful for all those things, and there are many more. So I would like to quote here Gandhiji. Gandhiji once said, I cried because I had no shoes, but then I met with a person with no legs. By this quote, we have to learn that we should start appreciating the things which we have rather than crying over things which we don't. So, for what things you should be grateful for? You should be grateful for, first thing is, you are alive. Isn't that amazing? You are alive because we see examples of the people's life ending suddenly or far too soon. Still we take our life for granted as if it could never happen with us or our loved ones. We have no guarantee of life of next year, next month, next week, or even tomorrow. So be grateful for the life you have and time you have. Your health. We should not take our health for granted, because if you are most of the people who are when unwell or when fall sick, the first thought in their mind is, I just want to be recovered, I just want to be better, and when they feel better, they still consume their body with the substances and food they shouldn't consume, and their minds with negativity which is not needed, which causes further health issues. So just be grateful for the body, the healthy body you have. Be grateful for the opportunities, because there are abundance of the opportunities you have, and trust your intuition on which path you are going. It might not happen right away, or it will take a much more time than what you have thought before. You have to face a number of failures before reaching the success, but you have always opportunity to start again, and this time with much more wisdom. Then be grateful for the people around you. Be grateful for the people who have taught you valuable life lessons. Also be grateful for the people who have given you pain, because they have made you much more stronger. So be grateful for the families and friends around you, because they are for you always, no matter what. Next, be grateful for the hard times, because hard times are our greatest teachers, because there you developed your character and grow more. So because life is not always exactly the way you plan, because it is not meant to be like you have decided it. So just be grateful for the struggles, the failures, the pains you have got, because it made who you are today, and you are exactly the way you are. So you must be thinking, why I am telling you that practice gratitude, be grateful for those things, but I will tell you the benefits of it. The benefits of it, first of all, it will reduce your negative thoughts in your mind. It will reduce the jealousy for others. We are more likely to help others. We will retain much of our positive experiences rather than the negative one, because our mind tend to go towards the negative rather than towards the positive. So it will help to be in the positive thoughts, be in present, have good sleep, reduce depression, and many more things when you practice gratitude. Because when you are grateful for something, you attract more of it. Okay, then stop complaining, because there are a number of people still struggling for even the basic necessities of the life. There are a lot of people who doesn't have even shelter to live. They live in misery. Many people are differently able. They struggle for even the small things which we can do easily. So be thankful for our good health. There are a number of people who sleeps with empty stomach. They don't have food to eat, and we here are complaining about not getting our favorite dish served. Many of us take our health for granted, but I must say health is wealth for sure, because if we do not have good health, we just can't do anything productive with our lives. Education is the most important thing, but student nowadays has taken their studies so lightly that in online lectures they tend to play games, watch YouTube videos. By behaving in such a way, they are harming themselves and society. On contrary, There are students in villages who want to learn desperately, but they do not have facilities which is needed. So be grateful for our resources, the resources which you have. So stop complaining, guys, for things which you don't have and start appreciating the things which you have, because the way we live is still the dream of many. So there are some affirmations which I personally practice in the morning. They are: I am so happy and grateful for the life I have. I am blessed that I woke up today. Many did not have this privilege. Thank you for God for giving me another chance to make my life better today. I am so grateful for the people I have in my life. I am so grateful for this loving, beautiful, healthy body I have that continues to get stronger every day. I am grateful for the time I have today. I choose to focus on good things in my life and in this day. I have everything I need to create happiness within. I will give something amazing back to this beautiful world by radiating a vibe full of love. I believe in myself to follow through. So I am giving you 21 days challenge. Okay, what you will do in this 21 days, that you will take a piece of paper and write the things which you are grateful for. You can take help of my PPT presentation, affirmation. So you will read the piece of paper before going to bed and after waking in the morning. So just practice this. Why 21 days? Because it is scientifically proven that when you do particular thing continuously throughout 21 days, it becomes habit, and when it becomes a habit, it develops a character in positive way. So just hope that you be more positive and just be in present. Don't worry about the future and just don't regret about the past. Just be happy in the present. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe this video.